So here I have a window that is, the frame has come apart. You can see the glue there all the way down. The frame has popped up and there's some daylight. That's not going to seal up very nice for efficiency. And down here you can see that the frame is raised up. I think you can see it. So obviously a new window is probably the best, but in case you can't afford that, here's an easy fix. How to get this back down and as energy efficient as you can make it. What you're gonna wanna do is get a hair dryer or a heat gun. I'm gonna use a heat gun. This one is from Harbor Freight. And you're just gonna warm that seal up the whole way down. So that's your first step. I also go up and down the seal on the side. That way, when you pull down on the frame, everything comes down. Once you have it heated up, you're gonna pull down, you're gonna put a good amount of weight on it. Okay, so I had to do that off camera because it took both hands, but once you get it nice and warmed up, and it might take you a good 5 minutes of warming, put all your weight on it, and you pull it down, and it's all sealed up. As you can see, that corner, it's pretty tight. This corner is also pretty tight. And the way to prevent that is to always use the handle. So this happens with older windows when people use the top of the window to push it up. Use the handle instead and it won't happen. But at least you now know how to fix it. A lot of times why you need to do this is you can't get the window to lock. As you can see, this one locks really smoothly. So with that lifted up, sometimes that lock won't work any longer. You get that seal back down, then your lock will work again.